Hello, students. Now, Akoina, so far we have discussed about integration. Integration gi koi mayam lenagra natra partial fraction and then integration by parts and everything slowly and slowly we have completed so far. Now, this is going to be the last lecture of integration. Integration ki last lecture ni, and then after that I'll be providing you with the solutions. Okay, solutions mayam putorakani, and then maybe aduga 10-year paper do maybe I'll discuss with you, discuss tawba yai. So let's see yung sika, and I'll let you know. I'll let you know. I know the hierarchy. Kay gumba 10-year paper do tawar matunda. Now, sige last sima akoy nilasi, and then WhatsApp group tay thagal lage the solutions and all that. Now, the definite integral. Okay. Definite integral, as I have already said, definite integral height are my lower limit and upper limit. Like so, first of all, let f be a continuous function defined on AB, and then integration of AB, yedagi hauraga b power integral to haiba kanado fx to dx. That is, that is nothing but the area of the curve and the f from A to B. Then B put the area to so if we generalize, if we draw a curve, right? Let's see. So here PQ SR, and let's say A is x naught, B is xn, and this particular curve, it is represented by your fx. Now, Sigi integral hypothetical manner, integral hypothetical this whole area, area under the curve from A to B. In here, A to B fx dx hypothetical area of P Q S R hypothetical managana. And how integration? Kamana integration की method na area से कोई कमाई पुट होकर लगे है बतो कोई इस द तम गनी को right. Let's see as the कोई नहीं हो आहान बता सिद्ध ले the methods no सिद्ध some statistic kitang amak kagi khana right so kitang hangi ko. So if we consider rectangle, okay, see me am no rectangle ngak so see makha the area is the rectangle represent kitang kitang leho so kitang leho so kitang leho kitang kitang leho ko. Now yang si fill up taurasi then fill up amaga taurasi. Now the tadi asugumba rectangle mayam si apik rectangle mayam si infinitely mayam yamak taragadi akoina area se see area of PQR have a second. This is nothing but area of infinitely many rectangles to now. Small rectangles mayam do area mayam do sum tarakan almost a CG PQ SR siga manane have rectangles in a approximation lot of one. So akona sida cup amaka khana bagi one. Let's see here. Koi yang baya agad yang see here. Right. Okay. So let's see. Here AB to koina kamai ta bodo ga kam AB na koina high do koina x0 x1 x1 x2 na koina khaidok patare. Hadi AB has a A B have ni. So see koina x0 or lazy and the x1 x2 so on. See na xn no hen by one. So strip macha this minor interval mayam koina koina khaido egosta, right? Okay. Then kamai ta bodo ga ka the x0 to na koi e ne law x1 haijana sele x1 sina kainen lawba x0 plus h haibadi si moi marakta laiba with chingja manan be one haibadi koi a and b labdo. So yeah, we have taken this is x0 and this is xn, adugas the x1 x2 sum chatpe one adugas then ki length this is h. Okay, chamanable length in the low one. So on and so on. Xn of the manner xn hypothetical a plus n h, right? Okay. Now or n have b minus a divided by h. Sn tends to infinity, h tends to 0, right? Haidi h na sigi h na 0 da ten tau taragadi sam sigi n je kai chala ne infinity ta haibadi akoi rectangle ki strip to kai one be on infinite number of rectangle strip one be one, so that area is what? Area is approximated. Now area of the rectangle ABL sido kai multiply area of the region ABDC and area of rectangle ABDM, right? Let's see. Next up, I have the side areas minor low given nothing else. So going to minor tamkanda sida, let's say AB LCR C areas the C areas na the here. If you combine this, no, AB DC ABCD LAC na helan Cgi sidagide C na helani, and then mathak ta hapchan ba amajina mu hendu ne. Okay, ABDM na DM, right? Cgi areas dagi C pull up na hela, then amuk mathak ki pull up hapchan bajina mu hela haven. Now SN hai small SN akoi area of rectangle se kai mane. See, area of a rectangle have the base into length into breadth, right? In our case, what is length and what is breadth? See, no. This is our, suppose if this is x0 and if this is x1, right? Magi see kya we have a breadth to then kya lap hai, h lap hai. And how about this height? Height kya we height like this is fx0 and this one is fx1. Adi sigi height sina fx1 ni sigi sina fx0. No area pu thok pai ko mana area pu thoni base length into breadth to length into breadth up to xn minus 1 bauba chalane hai, right? Okay, now capital SN hai bisina kaiden kai bu chakane ba half of fx1 dagi horaga up to fxn bu chalhala se. SN has a sum of the areas of the lower rectangles. I mean, makagi rectangle may am since makha labels. Okay, Kakadil Tadokanina, no season. Although capital SN has a karamba, Sigi Mataki area may am since. Okay, Matakas minam some the Lakan rectangle will be to assume my arms Sigi area, right? Yes. Okay, so it's like this. Yeah, to sini lariba apagi auji lariba kind problem sini. So ABLC dagi C area dagi kanana heleba C pull-up ki area jana helani, right? C area pull-up jana helani. C dagi mu kanana helani C pull-up ki area jana mu helani. That is what it is meant here. Right? Next yes. Now SN dagi to the SN is na makagi area do. If you remember, SN had the green machu ki mayam area, right? Aduga actually area na C mayam ni aduga is the ma yauri ba koi gi orange pugi rectangle oiragana, that is denoted by sina orange ki ne have in, and this is for green mayam the area some of the area now. So we are getting this SN dagi actual area do na hen chawni, but actual area do SN dagi hen pick. So if you take the limit lawson by having out the can n x tends to infinity, not x tends to infinity, it should be n tends to infinity. Okay, I n do the kai gumba if it tends to infinity I nangi n mayam do I interval do yam pick na khadok tara infinity have the yam chaw hadi n hai je kai nangi interval do ne my rectangle yam kup na khadok tara right? Adu n infinity 10 ton ba yam kumna khaidu have yam kumna khaidok tara kadi adu kai ga mana kadi nangi actual area du mana kane, and which is denoted by integration AB fx dx ka mana kane have. So akoina kai have yare integration of a to b fx dx actually limit h tends to 0 h fa plus h so on and so on f of a plus n minus 1 and h mana gonna have, right? That's it. Now we thought the h ki mo to ko ngasai kai wagi. What is h? B minus a divided by n. Adu ki value do sinjalani sida. If you put back b minus a is a constant, opan thang do 1 by n level. So actually this is the formula. C is name. Ko asigi formula sta ba yana ba right? Okay, that's it. Now, example lam ho 2 to 3 x square dx se putho na hai bani. Okay. Yam line na putho pe. Yam line na putho pa mal lu na putho pa. Actually si ko na kai putho pe. First of all, what we can do is that integration of x square kya aata hai? Integration of x square hai se kya aata hai? What is that? X cube by 3 and then 2 and 3 aap se laga, right? Adha x ki ahan 3 aap se lani, 2 mo aap se lani. So kya aata hai? 27 minus 8. So that will be how much? 27 how much? 19 by 2. So area is 19 by 2. But masagi ko is sum as a sum na area do putho kai tadi nang sumaina hola su ya 1 by n fa like this. So there are various way of calculating. So the method 1. This is one method, and this is method 2, right? Okay. So asigi form the you have to compare. ये तो क्या का मान है 2 का मान है, b ने क्या का मान है b ने 3 का मान है. And what is fx? Your fx is x square, right? Then you use that formula h equal to b minus a my whole ani h to phangani, and then integral tauro and put back in here. So we will get like this, right? And then put the values f2 over the fx in a f2 x square mana f2 the 2 square mana gani, and f of 2 plus 1 by n the kai mana gani 2 plus 1 by n whole square. So c mein am jinus da kone la e mein am sincha. Just put the values to keep on going. Then you will get something like this: 2 square 2 square 2 square. Now so 2 square out, so 2 square out, each and every term the 2 square out. Aduna 2 square mein am se punjaladi 2 square how many times? N times amale, right? Adagi mu yengsi 1 by n square, and then mathang dana 2 by n square lakani, and then last seizing of pun be up to this, right? Sina amale jagre. Now the zoom lady. As my of the second term the sum mag yarn 4 times of 1 by n, second term dana 2 by n, third term 3 by n, so on and so on. Last seizing of pun be pulleka. Pull up matung the now complete toro. You 2 square is n times I target the 2 square kata 4. 4 do character n times to the by 4n. So the common oil 1 by n square, 1 by n square of 1 and we are left with 1 square plus 2 square 3 square n minus 1 square. So then a 4 later makada n and n common loy. Take it outside. Then we are getting 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n minus 1. Now put the values. For n give 4n like 1 by n square. Summation give you know the formula, right? 1 square plus 2 square up to n square to n into n plus 1 twice n plus 1 divided by 6. Just we are using that formula only. Still question right? Okay. Now so 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n do kya gamana n into n plus 1 divided by 2. But when 8 to say n minus 1 bunina, so we will get this value. Okay, right. So if you calculate all of this, then let's see, let's jump to the conclusion. Okay, I think CD LCM and all that right? So at the end, so the 1 n tends to infinity. N infinity 10 1 by n will approach to where 0. Aduna c0 charkrani, c0 charkrani, and this part is also 0. Okay, 4 plus so 1 number into 2, so 2 by 6 number plus 2. Okay, so if you add this, we are getting 19 by 3. Oh, all right. Look, I'm going to hot cube to have x squared by dx. So it will be x cubed by 3 yam line hot pe ai ba suman x की value तो क्या 3 put taro, so this will be 3 cube minus 2 cube divided by 2, so 19 by 3 tane hai bele yam icham cham. Okay, all right. Now next the area function. Chamane ko already discuss ta ura budani kaisu anova yaud here area function hai consider you so chali se kaya from a to x, a then x busat taragadi sizna stay sibukshine ba koina ax side areas, right? If we say from a to b, with adi kai wagani area will be what? This green area plus blue area total se guna koina denoted by integration a to b fx dx. All right, next one is fundamental theorem of integral calculus. Okay, let f be a continuous function on a closed interval and a be the area function. Ax in area function or a continuous function or the area function is differentiation already. Fx to fangane have. Second fundamental theorem has na f the continuous function or on the closed interval and f be the antiderivative. Antiderivative by the, as you know, right? The g differentiate to kan phango poto f tane have. Okay, what we have is that, okay, sinigo the f integration to kan the f fange, right? So this is your antiderivative, right? The a to b fx dx happens fx ab, then x to the mother b epsilon, x to the mother a epsilon, and this, right? Okay, so when I'm saying though I know what cube is 2 to 3x squared dx happens x cube by 3 tarni 2 to 3. Now 3 hana happening 3 cube minus 3 cube by 3 minus 2 cube by 3. So the answer is 19 by 3. Right? That's it. Now let's focus on some more question. Let's say 0 to 110 inverse x 1 plus x square. So first of all, as you integrate direct over here, so first what we have to do is that 10 inverse x to 3 put down, then differentiate with respect to x. 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Now, so limit at x equal to 0, x equal to 0, the t gets on 0 done. At x equal to 1, t is going to be what? Pi by 4. Now, the substitution the variable change my limit to change the very x needs the very t. Now t to kya 0, t to kya pi by 4, right? That's it. And this whole thing, see whole things in a t commander. So now you integrate it, so you will get t squared by 2 pi by 4, so 1 by 2 pi by 4 whole square minus 0 square, so that's it, pi square by 32. Now the most important part of the integrations in the properties of definite integral. Okay, yes, so here first property, a to b fx dx I will say a to b ft dt have the x dx I will t on top of no issue. So 1 to x dx I will 1 to t dt property p1 the a to b fx dx I will say minus b to a fx dx I will see b siga a siga interchange tauba. Okay, minus right? So 1 then 2 x integrate to minus 2 to 1 x dx ka right? So in particular a to a integrate that is will be 0, right? Next property number 2, the a the b let's say sinang fx fx to, let's say if you want to integrate from here to here, a then b integrate to AC a then c book plus c then b book c is and that is what it's saying. A b fx dx have a to c fx dx plus c to b fx dx right? Next one, aduna 1 then 3 bu integrate 1 then 2 bu then 2 then 3 bu everyone, nothing, right? Next one is a to b fx dx a to b f of a plus b ani se tinna matung da minus x to du ko mane ham sigi property mayam sing ji akoina phaw tare some council exam da ko yam hang su yam yaw kramani already in question, right? Write down the 6 properties of definite integral u kind hang ba yaw re. So okay, so si ma ko mayam pa na khang bi ba tare properties to phaw ba tare, right? Next okay, not next. So pi by 4 dagi 3 pi by 4 pu integrate to hai ta di kai gamane hai kanda pi by 4 3 pi by 4 dum lai ni x ki mohta kai la kan hai ba this 3 pi by 4 plus pi by 4 minus x la kan hai the su x ki mohta this much c ni man hiding is all right. And this is one of the most important property question jam c properties se koi na different integral hot pa yam sin so you have to know this, right? Okay, next one is 0 to a fx dx equals 0 to a minus x dx. This is important property. Definite integral the koyam sin nagani. Okay, it's very important. So let's say 0 to pi by 2 sine 4 x divided by sine 4 x plus cos to the power 4 x si tau gai tara gadi yung x ki muhta kay lakadaw ba x ki muhta pi by 2 minus x kay kuma if sina 0 ay tara gadi. Okay, actually see p4 has a p3 ki derived version. Okay, right. p5 0 to 2a have 0 then a will integrate toro and then a then 2a will integrate toro do mane happen, right? p6 tana 0 to 2a integrate to y will say 2 times of 0 to a fx dx ka mana gani if karam kan if f of 2a minus x se kai ka mana kanda fx ka mana kanda, right? And 0 way gani if karam kanda f of 2a minus x se kai ka mana kanda minus of fx ka mana, and this is also very important. So 0 to 2 pi cos x dx I would say 2 times of 0 to pi cos x dx ka mana gane. Okay, as kai cos of 2 pi minus x है cos x का माने को c वर्क खंग चलो. Okay, all right, यानी को तो c की प्रॉपर्टी में आंसर, right? Now 0 to 2 pi sin x dx के माना गने it will be 0. Why? Because sin 2 pi minus x I say ka mane minus sin x ka mana bani second property see second one they follow tarka the value will be 0. Next p7 minus a to a chat taraga di integral se ka mana 2 times of 0 to a fx dx if karam kanda f of minus x to fx ka mana rakanda, and this is called as even function, right? Even function hota है 2 times and 0 if minus fx I will see na kai kauba. This is called as odd function. So minus pi to pi cos x dx I will say kai ka mana 2 times of 0 to pi cos x dx ka mana. Why? Because see cos x equal minus x tam kanda cos of minus x to cos x ka mana, so this becomes an even function. Aduna say according to this, so this will be this. How about minus pi to pi sin x? Sin of minus x, sin minus x the minus sin x, so it becomes an odd function. Odd function where the value will be 0. Adi managadoni goes da minus pi to pi, or you can say minus a to a sin x also. Okay, it will be what? It will be 0, right? Odd function will beginning. So let's say one more example of the 0 to pi by 2 sine, right? Sine to the power 4x divided by sine to the power 4x plus cos 4x, right? See, let I the equation in allowed. Then we apply p4 have the x ki mohta kai lakane pi by 4 pi by 2 minus x ako na put the way p4 matung, right? So x ki mohta pi by 2 minus x I was sorry. So pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 minus x, we put the way. So you will get sin pi by 2 minus x the mane cos x. So see cos x, cos x, and this will be and cos pi by 2 minus x na sin x. So this will be sin x. Now 1 and 2, 1 and 2 se ko yengs 1 and 2 do 8 tok taragadi left side the I ni right left side animal the I ni I plus I is 2I do si pangani. And then next step to ani je manarane cancel out. The kya la 2I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 1 dxi. So it will be x, right, to pi by 2. Okay, so what is I? I is equal to pi by 4. And that's it. Seasoning. So this is all about definite integral. See hyperton definition and then my properties. And then you say and then what? And then solutions. No exercise ma'am the solution. The solved one I will be uploaded. I'll be uploading. Okay. I upload to okay. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a good day. Thank you.